Morning, everybody. It's 8:41 this morning on Wednesday, the 29th of May. Um, Stocks are lower. Interest rates are higher. When I came in this morning, the Dow was down 200. It's now down 235. The S&P was down 28. It's now down 38. Pardon me, 35. And the NASDAQ was down 106, currently down 156. The 10-year has moved up a bit this morning. We had the mortgage apps at 7 o'clock, not exactly market moving, but they dropped 5.7%. And the breakdown of that was refinance applications down 14%, while purchase applications dropped only 1%. We have another $44 billion 7-year note auction at 1 o'clock. We have the Fed's beige book at 2 o'clock. And the beige book can certainly be market moving. Asia was mixed. Europe is lower. Um, Earnings wise, Advanced Auto AAP is up $2 on a miss by a penny. Inline revenues guides earnings per share for the year in line and announces that their senior VP, Chief Merchandising, will retire and be succeeded by Bruce Stams, who is the EVP of Chief Merchandise, effective January 24th. American Airlines lowers earnings per share numbers. The stock is 12.30. That's down $1.14. And United Airlines reaffirms guidance, and it's 50 down 64 cents. ConocoPhillips 115.05 down 391. They're going to acquire Marathon Oil in an all-stock transaction. Merck up 16 cents, acquiring iBio, for 1.3 billion and 1.7 billion in milestone payments based on performance. Dick's Sporting Goods beats by 34 cents, beats on revenues. Comparable sales growth of 5.3, raises earnings per share. The stock is 209. That's up 14 or 7.2%. Robinhood came out yesterday after the close with an SEC filing for repurchase of up to 1 billion of its Class A shares. The stock was slightly higher, but today is 2082, and that's up 35 cents. Let me just take a look at something here. HOOD. Okay, that has been as high as 21 and a half. The last is 2065, up 18 cents. So it's given back a little, but that is a recovery high for the stock. And Box beats by 3 cents. Inline revenues, guides above consensus, revenues below consensus. Um, Stock is 24.90. That's down 14 cents. Okay, the chart on the screen is the oil, and it is clawing its way back up. It's above 80. Clearly a higher high and a higher low coming in line here. We're in the UCO slightly profitably, and I expect that to continue. In the other markets that we're interested in, the gold is down a little, gold down 13, but the silver is down only 5 cents. Copper down 6.75 cents. The heating oil, gasoline are both higher. Nat gas is a little lower. Grains are a little lower. Cotton down a little, as is coffee, sugar. Cocoa is on the upside. The dollar is up about 9 cents. Bitcoin down 780. Ethereum down 36. Remember, we sold half of the $21 Ethereum that we bought at roughly $36 yesterday. The bonds are down 14 30 seconds. And that's about it, folks. I'll be back later if there's anything to say. Otherwise, have a good day and be careful of that beige book.